In this video, I'm going to take you through the steps to run a linear and exponential regression, come up with the equation that match those regressions, and get the R-squared values as well. So we will begin by going to the home screen and clicking down here where there's the lists and spreadsheets page. And we could go ahead and enter in our data. So I'm going to make some numbers up here. And then before you exit this page, you're going to want to go all the way up to the top at the top of these two columns and label them. So this is going to be X, and then this one's going to be Y. Make sure you press enter so it registers that input. Now that we have both of our columns entered in with titles, we're going to go to our home key and we're going to add in a graphs page. And we're going to click down here and select our X value. We're going to click over here and select our Y value. And that creates the scatter plot so you can see what's going on with your data. So then we're going to run a regression. And we're going to start off with a linear regression by going to Menu, Analyze, Regression, and then I'm going to choose the first Show Linear option. And then there is the equation of the line of best fit. If we need to get our R values and our squared values, we're going to add in a new page. So I go to Home. And then down here, I'm going to click this button to add in a new calculator. I'm going to go to Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, and then I'm going to choose number 3, which is linear regression. In this top part, I'm going to choose my X and choose my Y to get those columns from the lists and spreadsheets page. Hit OK. And then there's all my information for a linear regression. So remember, you're going to do y equals mx plus b. You're going to follow that format for writing the equation of a line. And then you have your m value here. So you just plug that in for m. And then your b value there, you plug that in for b. But the equation was also on the scatter plot. You got your r squared and your r value as well. Now we're going to go through and do a exponential regression. So I'm going to go back to my scatter plot right here. And I'm going to go to Menu, Analyze, Regression. You have the option to hide the linear, so if you'd like to do that, you can. But I'm just going to go straight down to number 8 and show exponential. And you can see a line that gets curved in there, and then the exponential equation shows up. So the initial value right here is 22.6, and then you've got your base, which is 1.14. That would mean there's a 14% increase. If I need to get the R value and R square value, I'm going to go back to my calculator page. Let's delete this. And I'm going to go to Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations. Oops. Go back. Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, and then pick Exponential Regressions. Again, X, we got our Y, and then hit OK, and there's all of our information.